You said pre-trial, yeah.
Hello?
Hello, everyone, please keep your camera on mute until I call for your case. All right, Mr. Washington, we talked a couple of times about you being still. You're gonna have to be still.
All right.
And put yourself on mute.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. Martina Wood. Martina Wood. Terrence White.
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Terrence White. This is ticket P 1367689. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Also calling ticket number P 1367655. One count disregard signal red or amber. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
And sir, please state your name for the record, please.
Terrence White.
How are we proceeding, counsel?
Judge, Mr. Light wishes to waive his rights. He wants to accept the offer.
So this ticket was sitting behind.
Oh, okay. Just gotta add it to the offer.
Yeah, let me just dismiss it. You haven't done it properly.
Oh, why don't I have him do it?
Okay.
Blockading.
All right,
Why? They were. Actually, they got a big break. Let's see. They're 25 miles per hour plus. So we'll stick with the.
all right, sir, if you could raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in this matter? You understand that, sir?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir, I'm going to take your attention back to the date of June 25th, 2022. Were you driving a Mercedes vehicle in the area of East Jefferson and DeBow Street in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving it, was it unregistered or untitled with the Secretary of State's office for the year?
Yes.
Satisfied, counsel?
I am, Your Honor.
And stipulation for probable cause and the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court's going to answer a plea to the amended charge of improper plates. And I'm going to dismiss the disregard signal red or amber. Sir, my fine is $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
30.
All right, I'm gonna have it due no later than 12/29/2022. You can only make payments online on that day because the courts are closed. So if you're gonna pay it in person, you have to come before that day. Okay, Mr. White?
Okay.
Also, Mr. White, I can read the ticket. Slow down. This is my community that you were speeding through, and I would hate for you to have a collision with me.
Me too. I will.
All right, adhere to that. Have a great day, Mr. White.
Thank you. You too.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ms. Wood, I see you're on now. Can you hear us?
Yes, I can. I'm sorry. I couldn't figure out how to get the unmuted.
It's okay, that's why I just went on. Usually when people start hearing the court, they'll figure it out. So I understood, okay?
Thank you. Sorry about that.
No problem. Now calling the matters of the people versus Martina Wood. This is ticket number P 1315462. Count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number P 1315460. Count one, drive at a speed too fast for condition. Count two, disregard signal red or amber. Count three, dirty, obscure, improperly displayed plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P 64889 on behalf of the defendant.
And ma'am, please state your name for the record, please.
Martina Wood.
How are we proceeding, counsel?
My client wishes to, let's see, Judge. If it's for arraignment purposes, then she'll stand mute and waive formal reading at this time.
This time, the court's gonna enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf.
Judge, she understands her right to have a jury trial. She's requesting a bench trial.
Okay. All right, that's correct, Ms. Wood. Can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You can put your hand down, ma'am. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
It's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, ma'am?
Correct.
All right, I'm gonna set it for the date of February 22nd. February 22nd. That's gonna be at 9 a.m. It is via Zoom, so the same way you came on today. Come on that day, February 22nd. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal. Okay?
Okay.
All right, and I'll see you then, okay, ma'am?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're very welcome. You have a good day, okay?
You also, everyone.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
My clerk even say you too. Thank you. All right. Mr. Washington, where are you going? You are in a car riding.
Shimmy, sorry, but I was on the way to work. I had work today. I was on the way to work.
Now calling the matters of people versus Xavier Washington. This is ticket number P.
You're not driving. I'm driving.
I know he's not driving, but
No,
he's not.
no, ma'am.
I know,
No,
I know.
ma'am. I'm not driving, ma'am. It's a ma'am. Do not drive. I do not drive. Stop yelling. She can hear you. Stop screaming.
I know you're not driving, Mr. Washington. You need to listen real carefully to me, okay? Can you do
Okay.
that? All right,
Yes.
I know you're not driving. I just said you were riding in a vehicle. So I hope you don't lose signal, because typically I don't even let people ride in vehicles while they're on the record, because they'll lose signal, and then we'll just be sitting here looking like, where'd the person go? But today I'm going to allow it, because it seems like you need some added assistance. So I'm going to call this case. Please be very quiet while I call this case, and we'll proceed forward, okay, Mr. Washington?
Yes.
Now calling the matters of the people versus Xavier Amir Washington. This is ticket P 1310575. Count one, driver's license never acquired. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P 1320544. One count failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. And ticket number P 1310576. Count one, improper U-turn. Count two, defective brake lights. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P 64889 on behalf of the defendant.
And sir, can you state your name for the record, please?
My name is Xavier Washington.
Thank you. How are we proceeding today, counsel?
Just for arraignment purposes, he'll stand mute and waive formal reading.
All right, this time the court's gonna enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. How are we moving forward?
Judge, is an identity issue, so he's waiving his jury trial rights and requesting a bench trial.
All right, is that right, Mr. Washington?
Yes.
All right, if so, please raise your right hand, sir.
You told me.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down.
Driving fast and under the conditions. Am I on mute?
Ms. Wood, we can hear you. You in the middle of my did you have an opportunity to talk with Mr. Werbeling, Attorney Werbeling, about your case and about your rights?
Yes,
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as a trying finder of facts. You understand that, sir?
yes,
All right, I'm gonna set this for the date of February 22nd. February 22nd of 2023. It's gonna be at 9 a.m. instead of this PM time, okay?
okay.
I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal. Did Attorney Werbeling tell you how to go to the Secretary of State's office and get all your stuff flagged? Yes.
Yes,
Did he talk to you about what to do so that they don't take your identity if this is an identity
Yes.
issue?
Yes.
Okay. Do everything he said to do, please, okay?
okay,
All right. All right, I'll see you back on February 22nd, 2023 for your hearing, and do everything that he told you to do, because if that person's using your identity, they can get more tickets if you don't get that taken care of, okay?
hold on. Excuse me, ma'am. Can I bother you for 1 second? I'm sorry about this.
Hold on a minute. We can't just start talking on my record. What's your name?
Nikki Washington. I'm Xavier's father.
No. I can't have you drive and talk, so pull over to the side of the road.
Well, I can't pull over to the side of the road. I'm on the
All right,
main
so
road.
I'm going, because I'm gonna have you hold tight then, because I can't talk to you while you're driving. It's against my
Okay.
rules and my policies. So I'll have you hold tight. All right, let's go with Miss India Williams. Miss India Williams, you can unmute yourself. Now calling the matter of the people versus India Williams. This is ticket P 1320955. Count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
And good afternoon, Ben Werbeling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
And ma'am, can you state your name for the record, please?
India Williams.
How are we proceeding, counsel?
Judge, for arraignment purposes, she'll stand mute and waive formal reading at this time, Your Honor.
At this time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. What are we doing in this
Thank-
matter?
Judge, she wants to waive her rights and accept the offer.
Is that right, Ms. Williams?
Yes,
All right, if so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
yes,
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights? Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
no,
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
That's a trick question.
Mm.
Yes,
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're gonna give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in front of me? You understand that?
Yeah.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward?
yes, but I also had a question. Get his license and will it work and take it out later on down the line? Because he actually called and they threw out a lot of old tickets from when he was a teenager.
Ms. Williams, y'all start asking all these questions in the midst of just answer my yes or no questions. Who is this person who was driving this vehicle to you?
A boyfriend.
Does he have his license now?
He called and they gave him an amount that he needed to pay.
Okay, so the answer is no, he does not have his license.
Nope, it's one ticket. They said that it's stopping him from getting them.
Exactly. So as of today, it's an allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay. So you can either move forward with this today, or you can wait. You can have a bench trial, you can have a jury trial, or you can have a free trial. These are your options today. So you either move forward with the plea today, you wait, or you come back with the pre-trial. I understand what your question is. I don't know if they do that on allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, because that's based on something that you did. And it doesn't sound like he ended up getting his license in it. It's the end of the year. So it's not like he got his license and then he decides to come on. He still don't have his license as of today. And it's 2023 basically, right?
Yeah.
So What do you want to do, Ms. Williams? It's up to you. I'll let you decide.
Yeah, no, we can move forward.
Okay, all right. Ms. Williams, I want to take you back to the date of February 27th, 2022. Did you own a Chevy vehicle, ma'am?
Yes,
And did you allow someone who was unlicensed to drive your vehicle, ma'am?
yes,
All right. And counsel, will you stipulate that it was in the area of Frankfort and Mesquite in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Satisfied?
I am, Judge.
All right. And the court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. So this is under what's called a 3-month delay. A 3-month delay sentence, or upon payment, this matter will be closed out. Okay? So I have 2 options for you today. You can either do 20 hours of community service and have it closed out in 3 months, or you can pay my fine of $200 and have it closed out whenever you make the payment. I'll still give you 3 months.
You said 20 hours.
Yes, the community service.
Do it matter where I do it, or I have to do it with you guys?
It doesn't matter. You just have to get verification. So you have to call our probation department and you have to call our probation department and make sure they just receive wherever you do it. And I only suggest that because it's the holiday season. There's lots of places to volunteer, during this time and be of some good help to others. And I'll give you 3 months to do it. And then you can have it dismissed. It'll be dismissed at the end of all of this.
Okay, that's cool.
All right, as opposed to paying a fine in this matter, because it sounds like you knew, but you just let them do it. So you need to learn a lesson. So I can't let you get off totally.
Okay.
But I can be empathetic. I don't think you should have to pay money if you don't have to, and I won't make it a lot of hours. 20 hours isn't bad in 3 months. Okay?
Mhm.
Okay. So I'm gonna do 20 hours, community service. I'm gonna give you 3 months. So that's looking at the end of February, February 28th.
Okay.
Come back for a review. I just need to know that you completed the community service somewhere. You got a pen so you can take down the number you have to call so we can get it verified. That's it. You can pick the place though.
Okay, give me 1 second.
Okay. Okay, thank you. You ready?
Yes.
313
Mm-hmm.
965
Mm-hmm.
3414.
Okay.
Okay? Tell them that you have community service 20 hours and tell them that you have a place you want to do it, but you need to make sure you have the right stuff so it can be verified, okay? And if you don't have any suggestions, they'll give you some, okay?
Okay.
All right, Ms. Williams, I'll see you for a review. That review is at 8:45 in the morning, okay? On February 28th, 2023. You have all that, you have my 20 hours of community service. This case is dismissed, okay, on that day.
Okay.
Okay? All right, tell your boyfriend to still get his license though, okay?
Okay, can you repeat the date one more time?
I sure can, February 28th.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good one.
You too, Ms. Williams. You have a good day, okay?
Too. Bye-bye.
All right, bye-bye.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome, of course. That concludes this afternoon's stocking.
Judge, you and your staff have